Hi everyone. Today I talk about a village life versus city life. So, village life. A village life is the smallest rural settlement area, but the city life is the largest administrative urban area. A village has a smaller population, but a city has a larger population. Correct হবে। So, a village has natural beauty. It is away from all type of population. But a city has also natural beauty, but due to uh, vast population, it is full from all types of population. And now, and in villages, people eating simple and natural healthy food. But the city people eat junk and unhealthy food due to lack of time. And a village has mostly simple life. There is a no unnecessary things, but a city life has a more comfortable and expensive life than a village. And and in villages, people are friendly, armed, hearted, and are ready to help others at all times. And the cities, people are unfriendly, selfish, attitude, and maintained distance from others. And in in a village, people have spent their rest time with family and friends. But in city, people like to spend their rest time in mobile phone and others electronics things. So I like village life very much. Thank you, everyone.